But if you want to teach me any word, yeah, it will be awesome.
Do you know how to say thank you use Chinese? Do you know how to say goodbye use Chinese?
No, only in China I have heard about Beijing, Shanghai. Yeah, these are the two main places of your country, I
Yeah.
guess. Ni hao.
Hi. Hi, 你好. 你好.
I just know
You can
this word. I
speak.
don't know anything else. No, ni hao. My Chinese is over.
Okay. Okay, it's fine.
Yeah, but if you want to teach me any word, yeah, it will be awesome for me. In Chinese,
I
like
think
you can any famous phrase or usually whatever the phrase you use. If you want to teach me, I would love to learn that one.
which words you want to learn about it. I can
It
teach you.
depends on you what you want to teach me.
Depends.
So you are my teacher today.
Um, do you know how to say thank you use Chinese? It's say 谢谢. Yes, if you go to Chinese to go travel and you can uh for example when you are eating in
Yeah.
restaurant and you get your meal, you can um tell the waitress or waiters about use 谢谢 means thank you.
How can I
Yes.
how can I say? Still I cannot catch it. That's why. If you'll go a little
谢谢.
bit slowly, I can catch it.
Okay, okay. Thank you. 谢谢 means
Sesia.
thank you. Yeah, 谢谢.
Sesia.
You
Okay,
are very
Sesia.
yeah, you are very clever. It's
Sesia
very
for teaching
standard
me this new word.
new words. And do you know how to say goodbye use Chinese?
No.
You can say uh bye bye, bye bye, bye
Bye bye.
bye.
It's like English. Bye bye.
Yes, yes, it's very simple and easy. Yeah.
Okay,
Have you
Sesia.
been Chinese to
Sesia.
go travel before?
No, I have. I have never been to any other country. I'm just in India, but maybe in future I will visit so many countries. Okay, that's my
Yeah, maybe
manifestation.
you yeah.
Yeah,
Maybe you can go to China and
yeah,
travel. I think we are friendly.
yeah. Without a doubt, we can. Okay, so which place, like, for the first time who are visiting China, which place you would suggest to visit?
Um, Maybe I don't know whether you are interested in Shanghai or Beijing because I think
I'm
this
a little bit interested in history, like if there is historical place or anything, peaceful something, buildings and all
history.
that I
Oh,
love to explore.
I will recommend Beijing, but Beijing is too crowded. You want to a
Yeah,
peaceful place? I don't know. China is a very crowded
it's like
country
it's
because
it's like
many
India,
people.
right? So
Yes,
our
yes,
both countries, our both
yes,
countries are crowded. If there is any good place, then you will find a lot of people there, and there won't be
yes,
peace. So yeah,
yes. It's crowded because too many people, and
yeah.
um, I think um, have you heard about Xinjiang or Xizang province?
No, only in China I have heard about Beijing, Shanghai. Yeah, these are the two main places of your country, I
Yes,
guess.
yes. I think many foreigners always go
Yeah,
to two places. Yeah, because
yeah,
these two places is biggest biggest cities in China. Yeah.
yeah. And I have
Do you
seen in
have
many videos, they really look beautiful, like buildings and architecture. If there is any old places, then it looks really awesome. So yeah, I really want to
yes,
visit your country, maybe one day.
yes. I hope you can visit
Yeah,
my country. And I want to ask you if I go to travel your country,
yeah.
which city or some places can you recommend to me?
Okay, there are many awesome places in India, but I would recommend my state because I'm from Gujarat. It's in the western part of India, and there are many awesome places. Like there is a white desert. It is made of from salt. Okay, when this because of the sun, there is salt on that whole desert, and when you visit that place at night, it shines like silver. Okay, silver is on the ground and it's really beautiful. There is a seashore. You can take bunch of photos. It's a scenic view, and you will be in the love with that place.
Okay, I can imagine
Yeah,
this picture. I think it's very beautiful.
yeah.
Yes, I think very
Uh,
beautiful.
Run of Kutch.
I
The
hope
name of place is Run of Kutch. Means desert of Kutch.
I hope I have a chance to visit here. Yeah, I
Yeah,
think I will. I have a chance in the future. Yeah, because
yeah.
I want to taste India food.
Wow.
Now I'm studying in Australia. I always go to restaurant and eat India food. I think it's
Yeah.
delicious.
Okay, so
Yeah, I
what's your
will.
favorite Indian dish, which you usually try?
Uh, I don't know how to say use English. Can I search for this? Uh, I
Yeah,
will search this word.
yeah.
Uh, curry rice. Curry rice, I
Curry
think
rice.
is
Yeah,
most.
it's delicious.
Yes,
Curry rice.
I
Then dal
think
rice also
it's
we eat
most
here, and
delicious.
it's really delicious.
Yes, yes,
Okay,
and I
there are
will.
mm, yeah, there are many
I want to
dishes.
go to
Dishes you will
India
love it.
to.
Wow,
Yes,
we will welcome
I
you,
will go
and
to
you will love
taste.
our country. That's for sure.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
so happy, and
Uh,
I want to go to India and taste the real rice. Yeah,
yeah, definitely, definitely. Maybe if you will come, I can suggest you so many famous places of India where you can try these awesome foods.
yeah. I want to express
Yeah,
all of thing, all of
yeah.
Indian thing.
Okay, that's so awesome of you. Okay, and our time is going to be over. So see you in the next video, I think. Okay, in next conversation.
See you. See you if we have a chance.
Yeah. Have a
See
good
you.
day.
Have a good day.